So, when are your babies due?
March, eh? But sure, I don't know what to expect because my wife's expecting. So what should I expect, eh? Yo. But you, how are you feeling about April?
Sure, I don't know, eh? I just hope my wife's not playing an April Fool's on me. Because damn, this stroller cost me an arm and a leg.
Sure, you think yours cost the arm and a leg. Mine cost my kidney and my liver. Check this. But it will all be worth it in the end, you know, when they start cutting the lawn.
Eish, too bad you only have pavement.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, are you walking the babies?
Yeah.
Can I have a look-see?
Go for it.
What the? Where's the babies?
Oh no, they only do later.
Oh.
We're just practicing our strolling.
And working on our dad bod.
Oh.
What's your problem?